sobra sa bakbakan sa loob. 40-14. Tapos pati yung total field goals inside and out attack ko naman. Hindi lang sa loob, pati perimeter points lang ang naman.
So 48% because that was only 32% in game number 1. So you like the aggressiveness, you like the determination. That even if they knew that Drew Marshall Harder will be playing limited minutes in today's ball game, started out by Marshall last third. Kita mo, right away in his eyes, you can see that determination.
Dagdagan mo ba ng 2 points yung points in the paint ng SMP dahil si Jericho naka-atake. So plus 28 na sila ngayon at 42-14. Hindi hinahanap mong isa. Si Rancoy, pinasok na ni Coach Ter. As Pinto, somehow got that one to stick.
So you look at what Coach Tim has done as well. You know, if these guys are able to bring his team back, then well, that's good. Pero kung hindi, pinapahinga na rin niya yung mga starters niya in preparation for the next game on Sunday.
At least yan, more than 14 hours yan.